All right. This is our fourth lesson of the song Pfumvu Paruzevha. So we now have an instrumental part. We started out, and then we did something, learned these voices of the children. And then we incorporated some of these big boys. So now our instrument is happy. We've got these children singing, shouting, crying. We've got these women who've got the rhythm part holding the song together. And then we've got these big boys adding their bass notes to the song. So the next part is to try and sing. And I'm not a good singer, but what I can show you is where the lyrics are placed specifically in this song and how to progressively do that, how to cheat until you can sing. So I know Ruva and your cousins and many other people have beautiful voices. Once you know where to place your voice, what I'm expecting from you is then to hit the high notes, hit some low notes, and sing something that is really sweet. But the way to place the lyrics is that we've got two phrases. That's one. This is two. So when you place your lyrics, you want your words or your humming to take part of the cycle, not the complete cycle, because then you would have to sing continuously and you will run out of breath, and when you try to breathe, then you disturb the singing. So you plan it so that you are singing part of the cycle rather than the full cycle. And what we're going to choose is you play. These are the first two parts of the first phrase. And then when you get to the second, to the third, and the second cycle, that's where you place your lyrics or your humming. So let me start by following or copying exactly what the Mbira is doing, but I do it from the third part of the first phrase and the whole of the last phrase. So let me go. So I'm just marking the time spaces where the lyrics would go, and then I'm going ginding gindi gandang gandang ginding 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 gindi, following exactly what the Mbira is doing. But then I can then change and hum slightly differently. Once I know the spaces that I'm going to sing, then I can change and hum differently. So let me do ginding gindi gandang gandang ginding gindi ginding gindi ginding gindi gandang. So it's the same. I started copying what the Mbira does. I've changed it slightly, but I'm exactly within those time frames that I've defined for singing. So now, if you listen to what Thomas Mapfumo did with this song, this is where he placed his lyrics. So his lyrics are easy. He sings Maka Zhinzwa Tirikoti Mai Vakashaya. It's a sad song. It means have you heard that? And then he gives the message that our mom died, our mom passed on. Have you heard that? Our fields were burnt down. Have you heard that? Our brother ran away. But those are the lyrics. We'll get to that. We just want to be able to place them within these two cycles of the song. So Makazvinzwa here kuti mai vakashaya? Makazvinzwa here kuti baba vakatiza? Makazvinzwa here kuti mukoma akatorwa? Makazvinzwa here kuti mufana akaromba? Makazvinzwa here kuti vatete voroya? Makazvinzwa here kuti mombe hakuchina? Iye, 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 iye. Iye, 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 oye. So what I'm doing is showing you where the lyrics go. And two things. One, we decided we're not going to sing the full cycle. You need time to breathe. So we've selected where our lyrics are going. And then two, before you learn the lyrics, you hum, you copy what Mbira is doing, and then change slightly the humming, just to mark those time spaces. And then number three, you put in the lyrics for Pfumvu Paruzevha. But once you can do that, you start out with what Thomas Mapfumo sang, Makazvinzwa here, and it means, did you hear that? And then you can put in anything that you want. Did you hear that I passed my exams? Did you hear that I bought a little new car? Did you hear that I am the best worker promoted at my workplace? So you start putting in your own lyrics. Thomas Mapfumo is just a starting point, for us to be able to enjoy this song. So let me do the 3 steps again. Makazvinzwa here kuti mai vakashaya? Makazvinzwa here kuti sekuru akatiza? Makazvinzwa here kuti mukoma varombe? Makazvinzwa here kuti mukadza vapfambi? Makazvinzwa here kuti mombe dzakapera? Makazvinzwa here kuti minda yakatsva? Makazvinzwa here kuti zvinhu zvaoma? Iye, 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 oye. Iye, 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 oye. Yep, so this is just to start you on the singing. Learn how to hum, throw in some lyrics, and then once you're comfortable, you start composing, designing your own lyrics, and doing what you can do with your fancy voices, hitting some higher notes, hitting some lower notes. I think that's it for today.